If the weather is starting to get a little bit warmer, with that comes spring cleaning, but we're not necessarily going to spring clean. We're going to clean something we should have taken care of a few months back. I'll explain more right after this. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Now that for your sanity. This is The Shack. Hello and welcome back to The Shack. Yes, it's spring cleaning. It's time to clean, and we got a little super cleaning to do. Normally when I do oil changes in the vehicles, when I'm done, I don't take that little container down to recycling. I pour it into a 5-gallon bucket. Once the 5-gallon bucket is full, then I take all that down and recycle it. Saves me 3 or 4 trips. I do it all in one big trip. As circumstances may have it, my truck, my wife's car, and my daughter's cars were all in need. So basically within a week, I changed everybody's oil and I had all my oil pans full. I emptied everything into the larger bucket and cleaned out 2 of the plastic. The 2 metal ones I kind of put aside, left outside, and completely forgot about them. So they've been out there for like 6 months now. And because of the dirt, dust flying around, getting inside the oil, and just the warmth sitting out there, they dried, got all crusty, so it made it a little bit difficult, to say the least, to clean them. So I'm going to show you how super cleaned my negligent oil pans, and why super clean is a part of my shop, because I find more and more uses. This is just one of very many that I use super clean in my shop for. Let's get outside and get this neglected oil pan cleaned up. Well, this has been out in here for about an hour, maybe hour and a half, but just so it gets a little loose. Basically all I'm doing is spraying this on here so it can work. And I just give it a couple of minutes. I let it soak in a little bit. And you see here it's already kind of cutting the oil down, but it kind of bubbles a little bit. You can see it working. Mainly I do it because we got cats, and we got a cat that hangs around here we kind of adopted, and it's basically like a barn cat. Doesn't come in the house, it likes it out here, but at least it stays in the garage at night. So if there's any mice around or anything, he can get a hold of those. So I don't want the cat to get into anything that could harm them. I don't have any coolant around the shop, so I make sure they don't get a hold of nothing like that. But you just never know. Cats are kind of crazy and they're a little curious, so they may get into something they shouldn't get into. But yeah, I never usually let my oil pans get this dirty. I just got real lazy with this one. So let me rinse this out. Getting there. Super Clean saved the day again. My laziness turned into something much harder to clean if I would have just used it, sprayed it on there after the oil changes were done. I could store it back up here, but because I got lazy, forgot, I had to scrub a little harder. Now I didn't use a metal brush or brass or anything like that. It was just a hard bristled, like a plastic bristly brush I used to clean stuff like that. If I didn't want to film it right then and there, I could have sprayed it on, left it there, sprayed it a little bit more, and I could have spent a couple hours spraying it and letting it set about 10-15 minutes each time to really allow it to do its work. But because I wanted to film this, I had to get in there and scrub a little bit of it. And you see the results. Now I can put it in here, and my main thing is I don't want oil or coolant or any chemicals laying around that a curious cat will get into and possibly cause it harm or even kill it. So that's why Super Clean is vital for me. Anything I use, I spray it on there, especially if it's got coolant in it, because I do maintenance my vehicle, so I will drain the coolant, take it down, recycle it, but whatever I drain it into, I'll spray this in there and wipe it out nice and clean, so there's no chance of harming any animals or even lizards or anything that may get in here, because we do get snakes and lizards out here. That is it. We are done. If you watch to this part of the video, I'm going to tell you right now, they're going to give some more Super Clean product away. If you want to get into the running of that, you have to put in the comment section below clean pan, and I will put your name into a drawing. Luckily, no matter how many people watch this, literally 10 to 15 people max will enter. And that's just the way it is. So you have a very good chance of winning some Super Clean products. Again, if you want to get in and get a chance to win some Super Clean, put it in the comments below, clean pan. It has to have that phrase, clean pan, in your comment. I'll put your name into the drawing, and I'm going to draw it April 22nd. And we will have a winner. That way it gives us plenty of time to get out to as many people as possible, as few as that may be. Sadly, I haven't put out a lot of videos, so the algorithm has really gone down, and because of my unfortunate Second Amendment views and some videos I made on that, they've gave me a little slap on the butt, deleted about 6 of my videos and told me no more of that. Unfortunately, this isn't a free speech platform, so I have to watch what I say. So they've really put my channel down on the ground, and I'm having a hard time getting views coming back up. So please, please, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, make a comment. That helps that algorithm, because a couple hundred views, I would normally get a couple thousand views, and it's really kicking my butt right now. So don't forget, if you want to get in the running for Super Clean, put clean pan in the comment, and you will be entered for April 22nd drawing for some Super Clean products. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. We will see you next video. A little bit long, a little bit blabbing. Got to finish it. But I wanted to make sure you saw Super Clean at work. Nothing hiding. No crazy editing. This is all Super Clean and exactly how it works, how it did. You went from grit, grime, caked on oil with dirt and dust in it to nice and clean again. That's why it's a little bit long. I want to make sure you saw every part of that, so you know I'm not trying to steer you wrong. I would never do that. If I don't use it, I don't recommend it to you. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.